Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make gravy using Tasty Buy, easy method. Start by collecting pan drippings and warming broth while you measure 2 tablespoons flour or 1 tablespoon cornstarch. Whisk the fat and flour into a roux until golden, then slowly add warm broth while whisking nonstop. Simmer gently until the gravy thickens and season to taste with salt and pepper. Finish with a splash of cream for richness if you like. In this video, I will show how to make gravy using Tasty Buy, easy method. Heat the roasting pan over medium and spoon off excess fat, leaving a couple of tablespoons. Add flour and whisk constantly until it smells nutty and turns a light brown. Gradually pour in warm stock while whisking to create a velvety texture, then simmer for a few minutes to thicken. Taste and adjust salt and pepper before serving. In this video, I will show how to make gravy using Tasty Buy, easy method. Quick recommendation. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum helps reclaim kitchen minutes with smart voice control and effortless floor cleanups, so you can focus on gravy. It navigates under counters and returns to base for charging, making cleanup almost invisible. If you like smarter chores, check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make gravy using Tasty Buy, easy method. Boost flavor by using reduced stock or a small amount of concentrated bouillon and adjust salt slowly. For silkier texture, finish with a tablespoon of cold butter or a splash of cream and whisk until glossy. If lumps formed, strain the gravy through a fine mesh. Keep the heat low while holding so it does not break before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.